Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this one I want to explain some of the differences between Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder and basically how you can use them together and how do they complement each other. As an example, I have this website, and if I navigate a little bit through it, I can tell you that this website has been built using Thrive Architect as well as Thrive Theme Builder, and all of these elements that you see here, so the way the page looks like, has actually been built in Thrive Architect. And these elements that you can see here, so the menu, the buttons, the page title, and so on, as well as the footer, have been built using Thrive Theme Builder. So basically, when talking about differences between Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder, we're actually talking about differences between a page builder and a theme builder. So with a page builder, of course, you're gonna build pages and you're gonna add content to those pages and customize that content. With a theme builder, you're actually building a theme from scratch, meaning that you're customizing the design of a website. So this has nothing to do with the actual content that you're going to add on the website. So for example, you could build 10 pages using Thrive Architect and build one template to apply to all of those pages. Also, you should know that Thrive Architect is a plugin, while Thrive Theme Builder is a theme. So this means that their location in your WordPress admin account will be different. So if we take this website, for example, I want to show you what the Thrive Architect editor looks like compared to what the Thrive Theme Builder editor looks like. So as you can see, this is my website and I have this panel above, and one of the options here is Edit with Thrive, and if you hover over it you will actually see the two options, so Edit with Thrive Architect and Edit the theme template. Now of course these two options will only be visible if you have installed and activated Thrive Architect as well as Thrive Theme Builder. So let's go ahead and open with Thrive Architect and see what the editor looks like. Alright, so we have the Thrive Architect editor here. This should be familiar if you've been using Thrive Architect for a while, but what you can do here is actually build your website using visual elements. So you don't need any coding, you can just drag and drop any element from here to your page, and thus you will see what the page will actually look like for your visitors. Now of course, besides adding all of these elements, you will be able to modify some settings from the right sidebar as well, and then the left sidebar contains the options of each element once you click on it. Now a very important thing to remember is what I've said in the beginning as well, that Thrive Architect will be used to edit the content of a page or post. So this means that, for example, in my case, I will be able to edit these buttons, my images, I will be able to adjust the layout and position, as well as the background style and all of that. Now, if we go to the top side of this page, as you can see, I have this header and the page title right here, but if I hover over them, they will not be highlighted as these elements are. Now this is because these are actually designed using Thrive Theme Builder. This means that my header section and my top sections, which are the sections that you can see right here, have been designed using Thrive Theme Builder, and if I click on them, nothing will happen, but I will see this info message letting me know that if I want to edit the template, I can switch to Thrive Theme Builder. So this means that you will not have access to the settings that you've made using Thrive Theme Builder from Thrive Architect. Basically, you will be able to only edit the content of the page or post using Thrive Architect, but not change anything to the template settings. Now, one of the many advantages of using Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder together is that you can actually access Thrive Architect within Thrive Theme Builder and the other way around. So right now, if I wanted to modify something from my header, I can simply click on this Thrive Theme Builder option from the right sidebar, and this will take me straight to the Thrive Theme Builder editor. Okay, so the editor opened and I can see right off the bat that I will have access to the elements from the header and top section, as you can see here, and if I want to edit my header, I can simply click on it and click on Edit section, and then I will have access to all of these elements. Now let's take a look and see what happens to the content. So as you can see, the elements will not be highlighted one by one as they were in the Thrive Architect editor, and moreover, they will be grouped into this post content element. Now this is because with Thrive Theme Builder, you're actually editing and customizing the design of the templates that you can apply to multiple pages or posts. So this post content element will actually hold whichever content you decide to preview when editing the template. So for this reason, you have this option right here, which is the content dropdown. And if you would like to preview this template on other pages or posts, depending on what template you're editing, then you can use this section and simply choose the content that you want to preview, just so you can see what the theme looks like applied on different types of content. Now to create a theme, you will need more templates, and these templates can be post templates that you will apply to your posts, page templates to apply to your pages, as well as 404 page templates, image, audio, video posts templates, and so on. You can really create as many templates as you want and apply them to whichever pages or posts you want. Now, as I said, you can actually access Thrive Architect from the Thrive Theme Builder editor as well, and if you take a look at the right sidebar, you will also have this option here that lets you know that if you want to edit the content of the page you're previewing, then you can click on this button and you will be taken back to the Thrive Architect editor. This way you will actually have access to the content of the page that you were previewing when editing the template. Now, Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder are designed to work together in order to give you total design control over your entire website, but of course you will be able to use Thrive Architect with any other WordPress theme, just like you are able to use Thrive Theme Builder without having Thrive Architect installed and activated. If this last situation applies to you, so you have purchased Thrive Theme Builder but you have not installed Thrive Architect, then you will get the Thrive Architect Lite version to use while customizing and building your theme and theme templates. So to sum everything up, you should know that Thrive Architect is a WordPress visual page builder with the help of which you can create or edit various types of content for your website. While Thrive Architect is a page builder, with Thrive Theme Builder you can create your own themes using customized templates that you can later apply to posts or pages. Thrive Theme Builder is also a visual editor, the difference being that instead of customizing the content of a page or post, you're actually customizing the design of the theme templates and not the content. Also, you can purchase a Thrive Theme Builder theme, so for example Shapeshift, which will come with some pre-designed templates that you can easily customize to fit your website, so you don't have to start from scratch from a blank template. I really hope this tutorial helped you understand what you can use each of these products for, and remember that you can always find out more information about Thrive themes and our products from our knowledge base.